Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello again everyone. Yes, in today's video we are going to repot my 2 avocados and my juniper. So this juniper this juniper here, I tried to propagate it from my juniper, the mother plant, but the mother plant got died last winter, so I don't have it anymore. So at least I have this one here that's still growing, and this is my propagation. This is my trimming from that one, and this one is surviving from any type of winter. You see, it just survived the unprecedented winter last February, so it's still so growing so nicely here. So there you go. And this here, this is the bone this is the seed of the avocado that we ate last January, and I put it here, and look what it's doing. It's grow this much already. And same thing with this one here. This is the first avocado that we ate you know, the fruit. And I also put the seeds in this pot, and I put moss in it for it to get hydrated all the time. And look, it's growing this way. But I've seen that this is not growing nicely anymore, but it has a lot of growth here. If you can see, there's a bunch of branches that's growing here. Even look here, it's so visible here. Can you see it? I hope you can see it properly. My hand is shaking, I don't know why. Anyway, I have this growth growing here, but this one here, the tip of this one's looking ugly. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to trim this right here. I'm gonna trim that bad leaf here, and maybe I'm just gonna trim this here because I don't know what's going on. And then I'm going to replace the moss. I'm gonna replace the moss with this new soil. So let's do it. But before that, I'm going to start with this little bit one. I'm going to do this last because this has moss, and I'm going to use the moss to liner the bottom because this moss is still okay. They're good moss, you know. This is a sphagnum moss, so this is a good moss. This is a high grade moss. So let's just do it carefully here and grab this one. I don't know if I put something. Yep, look at that. It's growing so good. It don't have a nice roots yet, but hey, it has a very good starting root. I'm not gonna mess with that so much. I just gonna show it with you. Oops, sorry. But it seems like there's something happening here. Maybe I'm just gonna trim it. Not maybe, I will definitely gonna trim that because that's not a good one. See that? There's another one here. That's not a good root. So that's how we clean it. Okay. Take this off here. That way you don't go with that good thing. So that's pretty much it. Alright, now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to remove some of this and put this here. I'm just gonna use that to liner the pot. Yep, same thing with what I did to the other pots. I use paper towel, or you know what I do whenever I'm doing a potting video. I always do whatever supply I have, and they always thrive whenever whatever I use with them. Anyway, let me grab something to put that soil, and there we go. Let's put the soil here. Can you see it? Yeah, I think you can. Okay, that's how much soil I'm gonna put, and then just put this one here. All right. Yep. Yeah, I don't want to put soil all over here because that's where this seed is gonna breathe. So I don't want to suffocate it since it's just starting to grow and it's not used of being suffocated yet. You know, the seeds, I mean the seed, I only have one. Anyway, that's how I do it. And yeah, they already suffer with the winter, so I don't know. I'm sure they're gonna survive the weather. It's now spring, so this is the time to plant everything. Yep, I love spring because plants always do good on springtime. But I do not like summer and winter because, you know, summer they also kill plants, because if you are not taking care of your plants, you can kill them by letting them exposed with the sunshine. You know, they get burned. I actually killed orchids of neglecting it because they suffered with a severe burnt from the sunshine. So this is it. So what it's gonna do is it's going to eat the nutrient whatever the new soil has. So when this one is more bigger, I will ask husband to plant it there at the box, at the avocado box, because the avocado there, I don't know, I don't see any growth from it anymore since the freezing time. It got frozen, so that's why. So let's do this second one. Oh, I actually put I'll put liner here, what do you call this, paper towel liner. See, I got liner, paper towel liner. Oh, I got roots here. Careful, careful. Oh yeah. Ooh, see that? Look at that liner, and it has my hair. It has my hair. I'm not gonna take that hair out there. Look at that. See, see what I did? Can you believe that? All right, so I think I need a more bigger pot for this one. Let's see if I could find one, because this pot is too short, too small for these. All right, I'm not gonna bother this so much. Okay, let me find a little bigger pot for this, because it's not gonna fit there anymore. So BRB. So I already put a liner here, a moss. I already put moss there, so I'm gonna put, excuse me sweetheart, I'm gonna put soil here, some soil, and then we are going to put this one. Let's see, how am I gonna do it, because this is so full of roots. Anyway, let's just do it. Couldn't believe I have that much roots already. I'm trying to remove these. Oh, I can take it off. Yeah, the paper towel is already degrading, so that's why it's so easy to remove. I told you that thing is so easy to degrade because it's out of cotton. That's why. So it really don't hurt the plant. But anyway, this is how I'm gonna put it. Here you go. Now put more soil. I need to put soil here because there are roots down there already. Yep, I'm going to wait for these to get a little more bigger before we can plant it directly to the soil, I mean to the ground. Because you know that one that husband planted there, that is actually 3 years old, but still it died from that winter. Yep, that's 3 years old. Oops, sorry, I bumped my tripod as usual. Okay, let's put more soil at the bottom. I am not packing it. I am trying to put soil at the bottom of it. So it's almost done. Don't worry. Yeah, that's how easy it is to propagate and to repot this one. But anyway, I am going to trim the tip of this one to give way with this new growth to grow. Okay, there's more airy thing there, needs to be filled. All right, I think that's all right now. Okay, so I have a big mess here, and like I said, I'm going to trim the tip of this one. So let's do it now. I'm gonna trim it here. Let's see. Ooh, here. There we go. And I am going to put cinnamon on it. That way it don't get infected. So let's now do this one here. What I'm gonna do is I'm just going to remove this one here and put it back here. I'm just going to replace the soil that's where it's sitting. Yeah, because you know it's been sitting here for 3 years already, so it really need. Oh look, it doesn't even have a root. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. It doesn't have a root. But I think that one there that I saw was the root of it. It died. See? Yeah, this is its root. But it died and got broken. Anyway, let's do this right away. I'm just gonna put like that. You don't want it to be out there so much longer. So we just put soil. So good thing I decided to repot this one. I mean to pot it, you know, fix it. So I'm just gonna stick it like so and let it grow here, because this is my propagation. I like it, and I am always so happy to know that I can propagate plants, you know, because I love propagating plants. But I need to pack the soil because it doesn't have a root. I wanted it to sit properly here so it don't wiggle. So that's it. Here we go, my juniper. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.